If you've been scrolling through Amazon looking for an affordable yet luxurious perfume, you've probably come across Nyla EDP Perfume by Arabiyat Prestige, a fragrance that promises a burst of freshness, a soft floral heart, and a warm, long-lasting base. But the question is, does it really live up to the hype, or is it just another over-marketed scent? Let's find out. At first spray, Nyla opens with a crisp and fruity freshness that instantly feels uplifting and feminine. The fruity notes are pleasant, not too sweet, not too sharp, and they blend smoothly into a gentle floral core that gives it a classy, elegant touch. The bottle itself looks stunning, with a luxurious design that feels premium for its price range, making it a perfect display piece for your vanity. However, when it comes to performance, opinions are divided. Many users praise it for its alluring scent and surprising longevity considering the affordable price, while a few complain that the fragrance fades faster than expected, especially in warm weather. It's currently ranked under 85 in women's eau de parfum on Amazon, showing that it's definitely popular among perfume lovers, but it might not satisfy those who prefer stronger, all-day perfumes. The scent is versatile, suitable for daily wear, office use, or even date nights, but don't expect it to perform like a luxury designer perfume. Overall, Nyla EDP by Arabiyat Prestige stands out as a well-balanced fragrance that smells elegant, feels premium, and offers great value for money. It's not perfect, but for its price, it's definitely worth a try if you're searching for a feminine, pleasant, and budget-friendly scent. If you want to buy Nyla EDP Perfume by Arabiyat Prestige, the product link is tagged in this video.